Hi guys, today we started a new topic which is onomatopoeia and another topic is reflexive pronouns. And here we go. So in the reflexive pronouns, we also discussed about the parts of speeches and what are the reflexive pronouns. Pronouns are normally they are the substitution for the nouns. To avoid the repetition of words, we use pronouns. He, she, it, they, we, or all these are pronouns. In this reflexive pronoun, it always ends with self or selves. For example, myself, themself, ourself, yourself, itself, himself, herself, all these are reflexive pronouns. I help myself to clean the wound. Here, myself is the reflexive pronoun. When the subject and object in a sentence are the same, then you will be using the reflexive pronoun. This is all about the reflexive pronouns. Coming to onomatopoeia, it is the way of sound words. So onomatopoeia is also called as sound words. These words imitate, resemble and mimic the sound they describe. For example, what will be the sound of the snake? It will be hiss. So the verb used to refer the sound is hissing. Snakes hiss a lot. The cat meowed in the night. Meow is a sound made by cat, and that word which refers the sound of the thing what they describe is called as onomatopoeia. The frog croaks. The car crashed on the road. Here, crashed is the sound word. The breeze in the breach is good. The breeze in the breach is good. Here, breeze is the sound of the wind. So, the imagery which this onomatopoeia gives is called audio imagery or auditory imagery, and this is also called as sound imagery. When you read this particular words, you will be imagining the sound of the objects which makes that particular word. So here we stop this session, guys. Tomorrow we'll be looking into the book back exercises followed by the workbook exercises. Until then, it's bye from me, guys.